Sure, they're selling this there then. I'm not sure lang kung magkano, but it's nice. Thanks, Beavers. Next is a shirt na may cute logo. So it's a plain white shirt tapos may cute logo. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko yung ganito, very minimalist. Madaling isuot. Oh no, ang problema natin yung size. Ah, large. Perfect. Cute. Oh, it's at the back. It says, Beavers! Yay! So here, sa kabilang bag, we have another tote bag. Same as the other one. And another shirt, also in large, but this time it's in black. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. Oh, ang cute nito. So there, ito yung harap. Tapos, yung likod niya colored. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Beavers Manila. So if you want the ultimate army experience, visit Beavers at level 4 of Gateway Mall 2. Hanggang August 15 lang sila, guys. So get your tickets now.